have here is an automatic transmission with an air shift PTO. Here's your air tailgate, open and close, PTO switch, body up, raise and lower, and your Tarp switch. So to engage PTO while the truck is running, parking brake is on. Right now the truck is in neutral. Go ahead and engage it to a drive position. I'm going to go ahead and do drive. And then pushing safety lock and pushing the PTO switch in. Put it back in neutral. And that's how you engage your PTO while it's in neutral and park. The reason why we engage it into a drive, we don't want to have the transmission rotating and clashing the gears when we engage the PTO switch. So that's why we put it in drive, have transmission stop, engage PTO, return it back to neutral, and then you can go ahead and raise up body. Neutral, and go ahead and lower it. And you notice that as soon as we lower it, the safety kick out the PTO switch just for safety purposes. You don't have to drive with the PTO engage on it. When you're gonna go mobile, you simply put it in drive, engage PTO switch, body in the race position. I'm gonna go ahead and release the parking brake, and we're just gonna go ahead and go mobile with the truck. And that's how you do the mobile PTO in on it. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate the rest of the functions on the outside, showing the Tarp switch, the automatic air tailgate open and close, and the body going up and down in the next video.